viewers, my brother, my sister, everybody, good morning, good afternoon, hello Nigeria, everybody, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you are watching me from. I come back again, me, your sister, Edith. I'm back again. You know, for more than 1 week now, we have never seen. I'm just doing 1 or 2 things. I have many stress. That is why I didn't come out. But everything is gone now. Thank God. So God is great. That is why anything we want to do, we need to take God first. God is the first thing anything we are doing. So I want to use this hour to call upon God for this topic today. O Lord God, my Father, I am that I am, the Ancient of Days. We invite you here today, O Lord. Will you come and be with us? Whatever we are going to say here, we shall be favored from it, be blessed from it. Blessing, favor shall be upon us in Jesus' name. Everybody that watch, everybody that share, everybody that subscribe, favor shall be on everybody only in Jesus' name. For in Jesus' wonderful name I pray. Please, my viewers, please, you people share. I need people to talk to. We have a lot to say today. A lot to say. We are going to talk about ourselves, the remedy to ourselves, we women, and we are going to talk about we have some information from our country, Nigeria. We are going to talk about many things today. So please share. Share to your brother, share to your sister, share to your friends. I need somebody to talk to. I need to talk to somebody. Please share so that you will be the partaker of this topic. It's a wonderful topic. It's the topic that will change most of us, that will change us, because we are just in this Europe. We think that the life is finished. No, we have more life to go. Well, they said where there is life, there is hope. So please share. I want to talk to somebody. Share. Invite your people. Invite your friends. Invite your brothers. Invite your sister. Invite your father. Invite your mother. Invite everybody. Everybody is the partaker from this topic. So I need to talk to somebody. Please. My brothers, my fellow Nigeria, we need to talk to somebody. I need somebody to talk to. Share. I've never seen anybody here. Share. And let's do it together. So I need somebody to talk to. I have good news for you people. Please share. Nobody here now. Well, nevertheless, I have to start my topic. So anybody that is coming, please invite your friends, invite your brothers, invite your sister. I need to talk to you people. So first thing, because I did one video 2 weeks ago, said because of we women, because of the problem we have, I didn't explain how to use it, what we had together to make the problem to solve. I did not explain it there. So now I reason is, I say, let me explain everything. Let me explain everything. Let me explain everything so that you people will understand what I'm saying. So some people call me, they say they don't understand. They say they don't understand what I'm saying. So they don't understand, not that they don't know what I'm saying, but they need to know what is the thing they are going to use for this thing. And please, if I have it, I said no, I don't have it here, but I will tell you people, see what you will take, so that this is the remedy. So I explained to some of them. So with that, I just think it. I said, well, let me bring this thing, let me explain it out, because it didn't come to my sense. Because somebody called me, asked for it. That is where I know that I'm supposed to explain this thing for people to know. So that if you want to make it, maybe you forgot it, you can call me. Not that right from the beginning you will call me, no. So this is the way for the menstrual problem. Assuming you have menstrual problem, just call on your person in Nigeria. There is a wood, they call it Otomoluku. I can't know what is the name in English, because I don't born and brought up in English country. I mean, I don't born and brought up in a young person. Young. My mother is so old, so with everything we do it with our dialect. That is why everything in me, most of them, mostly concerns this remedy, everything is from Edo dialect. So this Otomoluku, when you bring it out, they will bring it for you. I believe they will see the fresh one and give to you. When they bring it, then just tell them before they bring it to you, then we pound it in Nigeria. Then with this thing they call Oziza, with this thing they call Odo. Odo is just like potash, but that one is different from potash. When you keep it in your house, don't remove it in near fire, because now it will just melt away. So when you bring it, just put them into one can, this like this water can. This can we used to drink water here, 1 liter. Pack it inside. Then if you know how to drink alcohol, you turn hot on it. Maybe dry gin or any gin at all. Just turn it on it. Cut the small odo inside with that small oziza, not too much. With uniye, they go add it. So just shake it, leave it for some. Then when you know that it's getting to time, the problem is coming, just take it and drink it. If you know you are not used to alcohol, when you want to take it so that it will not trouble you, just if you want to sleep in the evening, take it. Just 1 shot, a little glass. When you take it 2 times, before you take that one, there is something you will use that will bleach your stomach out. You will purge. This is called agoso. They used to sell it in this place. All those old women they sell what they used to serve, do something. If you go there, you just tell them, I'm looking for agoso. They will give you. It's so powerful, but it's so small, but it's very, very powerful. When you buy it, if you know your stomach is not strong, don't take it less than 3 or 4. That thing is very, very small, just like I don't know what I will use to compare it. Very small. Then you break it and remove the back. Just grind it, put it in the spoon. Then add a little black oil, cane oil. Just put it in the morning. Eat at all. You will see the way we purge you. When you purge, then you continue with the roots. You prepare. That's the remedy side. Then in another hand again, we have some business here. I want to introduce to you people. This is my product, Mary Kay products. Please have business, serious business. This business, it will make you happy, because it makes me happy too. When I go into this business, I see that there is life. There is life we some of us never know. Which this business, because people used to come and enter this business, come and enter this. I just look it, because there is one I use here. It didn't work for me. Somebody called me on it. I said, no, I don't want to. Not until I locate this Mary Kay. When I go into it, the day that introduced it to me, I said, well, let me try. Really, I try. Very, very powerful. Why are we taking a bath? It's powerful on its own, and it make you don't sad. busy. And secondly, money. You know, you will have whatever you are doing it, you are getting your money back. You will have joy. And it's just a business you can do. Your money will be multiplied. Not that your money will go back. You know, you do some business, your money will lose. No, this is not so. Mary Kay company make people happy, make people have joy. It make home to be happy. Ever since I'm doing it, I don't sit in my house and my home. I don't even think, hey, today where am I going to see 1 euro to use? No, I will have everyday money because I used to sell. Then, as you enter the Mary Kay business, if you want to register with it, contact me. I believe when you register with it, you see what I'm telling you. You will see what I'm telling you. It's real. Well, when I hear it before, I don't even believe. I said, I beg, please, you people go. But one of my mates has told me that, try this thing. You will see. Really, I try. And it's true. Please, my brothers and sisters, this Mary Kay business goes like this. This is for hand washing. And when you use it, before, my palm is very strong. But see, ever since I continue to use it, no, I'm just like, my hand is just like a baby hand. Then, and those are the products they sent for me. The one I ordered, I've already finished it already because I could bring it out here. This is the foundation. This is the wear clips, and this is for the face too. For under here, anybody that is face black here, you use it, it will be okay with you. So, my brothers and sisters, I just want to bring it out to you people today. When you go to Mary Kay company register, when they register you, they will send you those things with this verified first. This is what I received first before I receive every other thing. So after the 5, they will bring this bag along with the things I showed you before. They will bring it. That is just like a gift to you from the company. Then before you order what you are going to sell, then if you need it, my brothers and sisters, my fellow Nigeria, we women, we need to get up. We need to wake up. It's not every time we will be sleeping, we'll be waiting for government money. Government, I know government have tried. They try for us a lot. But we ourselves, we need to wake ourselves up. If you see this country now, most of us here in Nigeria, we always just pack our hand there. Okay, when month ends, we will eat. No. We need to still wake up and let them know that we are strongly. I know most of you are still strongly, but we need to add. We need to add more, because mostly when we see free place to do something, we have many chance to do something, so we need to do it so that people, see, maybe ever since these people don't have this chance, that is why they fold their hands. So please, my brothers and sisters, please, I don't see anybody here. I need people to talk to. I need people to talk to. Please, 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 please share. We have a lot to say. After this business, we have many topics to speak about. Mostly from our Nigeria, our country. We have many to talk about there, because we have many things. We have many dirty things there we are going to speak about. Not every time we will come online, be making noise. We ourselves will be killing ourselves, fighting ourselves. It didn't make sense. It didn't make sense. We come here, we that come to Europe, we need to wipe those ones that is at home. Not that fight is not going to solve anything. It's not going to solve anything. When we know that our home is smelly, it's full of dirt, it's full of many things. So we need to gather ourselves together here and make that Nigeria move on. And make that Nigeria, mostly my Edo people, I don't really understand. Anytime I go to internet, I see where people every day, in short, I don't look at the Igbos. They are doing fine, fighting for their own country. Why we Edos, why Edo and Isha, we need to wake up and really face that our country. We are not going to die here. I don't pray to die in another country, no. When I finish what I come to do here, you go home and enjoy yourself. That is the place you will live. Where you want to eat bitter leaf is fresh. Anything you want to eat is fresh. So we need to repair that country. It's not only one person that will repair that country. It's everybody. Your prayer, my prayer. Your consign, my consign. It will repair that country. Not every day come. Are you mad? This no. It's not possible. It's not possible. We are in a civilized country. We need to do as a civilized country. Europe maintain their country. That is why we come. So we need to still make that so that people will still come to us. So that is the topic we want to speak about today. Really, I'm really angry about that country. When I see all this nonsense that is going on in Facebook and everywhere, I say, what is this? Why my people is like this? We don't even concern about our country. We don't even concern about our future or our children's future. No. Just look at, maybe if I'm talking about come on, this the other one, don't sleep with the other one. This line could have full sense, and we can have more than now. But when you want to talk the better thing, you don't see people to talk to. Why? Why our country people? Why? So we need to wise. We have to wise. We are sleeping. We are in darkness. If in short, I don't really know. I don't know. Please share. We need to speak. We speak to each other. Maybe the one I don't know, I will learn from you. The one you don't know, you learn from me. Why I first speak about that remedy, I just want to, because I do that one before, because of the call I received from it. That is why I cleared it for the first time. Secondly, I bring the business out. This Mary Kay business is very, very good. My Nigerian brothers and sisters all over the world. It's not only your country people that will be your brothers and sisters, because people that is taking care of us today, they are not from our country. They don't even say we are not from their country. They take care of us. We have government, but they don't even they send you. They are not after you. Because of that, when we are here, we need to wise. We need to know what we're supposed to do. Not that every day this one will fight this, the other one will fight this, the other one will fight this. No, that is not the solution, please. My brothers, my fellow Nigerians, please, Mona, wake up. May we join hands, repair that country. I beg you people with the name of God, please. Please, share. Because there is a video I see yesterday. Just look at this little girl. Just died for nothing. When I see the video, crying, 4 years old baby, just for little thing, just kill that baby because of country is not settled, no good care, no. I would just say no responsible government there. They don't even care. Eh? If that is a little baby, nobody answer him. What of if the father and the mother, they will just die? It's as those people bring the children out, nobody, the baby out, nobody answer. I don't know why our country is like that. We that still travel, we are still fighting here and there. We don't even wake up one day and think that, this is my country. How are we going to do that? This my country will be settled, or it will be okay. It's only this social media we are going to find solution to that country. Why I say social media? Because you speak, me speak, the other one speak, this one speak. Then people at home will be hearing something. Not that when they want to open their YouTube tomorrow, they will see that this one is he go and sleep with this one, the other one go and sleep. No. It didn't make sense, my people. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Even other people, other countries, they are laughing at us. They are laughing at us. See them, they are fighting. Mostly where they want to say, those people say, if I don't know their problem, I'm ashamed when I hear this thing. I'm ashamed. So what is going on? What is happening? Please let us wise. We need to wise. We need to wise. This little girl now is just die for nothing. Please, you people, share. I need to talk to somebody. Share. I need people to talk to. I need people to talk to. You can see today I didn't play music. I normally play music, but today because of that girl I saw this morning, I was crying. It's mother that born her. You understand? It's God. It's among of the people God creates. Just go like that because of little chicken change. Then take this girl to hospital. No deposit. He just died like that because of deposit. No. I don't really understand. I don't understand at all. Please, my brothers and my sisters, I want to talk to you people. Mona share. We have to share this word together. This word is not for one person. Please, for us to repair that country, for us to put things together in that country. I know we are not the government. It's every time where somebody will just come out, it will price what we're not going to pay, but people will be clapping hands, follow him. Then they put it there. After I enter there, it's a big problem. Just look at the other man. That one is in my phone here. I share it to my phone. Just want to go to farm, to go on because of this indoor problem. He take the family to farm. The man, it makes sense. Because there's nothing to do. He take them to farm. As they are going to farm, Esme kidnap this man. Take him to bush. Okay, after they said they demand for 15 million. Later, they started confessing to the man that it's your own relation that tell them that you have money like this. If you think I'm lying, I will play it to you people. It's here. I will play it. I want to see more people to speak with. I will play it for you people to hear what is happening in that country. Then God lead us to Europe. We are a free country. You don't, even though you are working in 2 o'clock, you don't have. You are going to where you are going to. You go home safely, go back safely. We don't even regard it. Then we here, we're supposed to join our head together and speak about that country. It's our country, no matter the condition of Nigeria today. It's our country. We don't have to allow somebody to sell it. We will be in another country. We will be happy here. No, we are not going to be here forever. I know some people is saying it. My children is not going to that country anymore. I will not go to that country anymore. Home is home. Home is home, my brothers and sisters. Home is home. Nothing like home. So this man, at the end of the day, after they confess, they tell this man that he's person that knows you. Because the man is not living in that village. Because of the indoor problem, this man go to his own village because he normally go and take farm there and go back. He said the person that bring this your problem, this your secret to them, he tell them that you are riding a very big car to your farm. You don't have money. Where will you buy a big car? You are riding to your farm. And secondly, you have a lot of money. The money you make in that farm, he tell them how many plantations this man gets. He tell them everything. That is why the herdsmen come to the man that they need their share from the money. They kidnap him. They said they are demanding for 15 million. This man said, I don't have 15 million. He said they flog him with K. They flog him with one iron like that. They used to escort a cow in the bush. He said they beat him seriously. So later, they confess. After they confess, they tell the man that, okay, since you don't have 15 million, we need 5 million from you. This man said, I don't have money like that. Then they demand 4 million. No way. They continue to beat him. We thank God that he killed this man. Is everybody go there that come back safely? No. Then later, they come demand for 600,000. With how many? I will play it for you people to see now. With some amount of mineral water, they demand for it. The person that they sent to come and give them the money is the person that bring this man back home. We thank God both of them then come back safely. You understand? That kind of country, we that come from that kind of country. We cannot even sit and reason something. Both the men, both the women, everybody in Facebook, in YouTube. Why? Where problem come? We say that it's we Nigeria, we settle it within ourselves. Not that we will bring this one, we don't have problem with it. Social media. This one we have problem, you take him to social media. No gain apart from viewers. No gain. If your sister offends you, call him one-on-one. My sister, what you do? I don't like it. If he have sense, or he's a responsible somebody, he will say sorry to you, apologize, then you take it so. Nobody above mistake. Or your brother offend you also. Or the elders, the children come and complain to you, see what my sister did to me. You call both of them one-on-one. Not that everything is social media. No. Did you see any other country like that? No other country like that, apart from Nigeria, which is very, very bad. You think another country don't know what is social media? They know it more than us. We are just a baby in social media. We are learning. Not that everything we are coming there. Our own habit is worst. It's worst in everything. At the area of marriage, problem. The area of living with your own sister, problem. The area of talking to somebody, problem. No. It's very, very bad. We are a civilized country. We need to wise. We need to see them and do what we are doing. We need to look at them. Then take care of their country. That is why we run down here. And with this country is like our Nigeria. We can't come. We will be suffering there. There is a lot of people there that want to come here, and no way. You that is here, you continue to make problem here and there. Eh? Please, my people, please. It's not possible. That problem is not good. We need to leave problem aside and do something that will benefit our children. Then when our children will come tomorrow, you think as those children be, that is how they will be forever. They are going to grow. When they grow up, what you did today, they are going to see it, because social media is there forever. It's there. As far as different internet is coming at all the time, it's going to be there. So that is why when you are doing anything, you have to watch what you are doing very well before you do it. They say good name is better than riches. Please, let's create a good name for our children to see in the future. Not that your child will see your what you do before, you will say, which kind of devil mother? No. Today, when I remember my mother, I always sad. Say, oh, my mother, I wish you were alive. No. I'm gaining for what my mother did then when she's alive. Anybody see me in that Nigeria today? No. Not goes there, because my mother is already he do everything down. My mother will see a mad somebody inside, they will bring him inside, eat with him in the same plate. He can't share plate for him. We will be shouting, her mommy, Mama, what is this? This is mad. I said, no, he didn't born with this madness. It's something that brings something, but I can't leave him like this. Even the street my mother live, they shock when they see my mother when he's doing this thing. They say, this is a mad person. He said, and then it doesn't mean. It's not only mad. People, I know almost 3 women that my mommy keep in his own house where they are sick. She don't care. In this Europe for us, we have everything. God is really working for us in Europe. Even somebody cannot give somebody water to drink. When you give self, you will find a space where you will enter the person for you to even tell her what you did for her. No. Today is pregnancy. You don't know what tomorrow is going to deliver, my brothers and sisters. Let's create a good record. Let's create a good character for children. Let's create a good team, mostly this Europe, so because our children will be here. Whatever you do, they are going to reach there tomorrow. Then the children must grow. They must grow. They say young shall grow. When they grow, they see your good work, they will be happy. If they grow, they see your bad habits, they will not be happy. Please, my people, please, let's change for our habits to a good way. That is what I just want to come and tell you people today. So I come out with annoyance today for different things I'm seeing in social media, which is very bad. I wish I'm just saying something that is critical, and maybe somebody is fighting, somebody sleep with somebody, then video it, you will see the way people will come out now, come and see. Why we are like that? Why we are like that? We need to watch a good thing that will make us have sense, that will give us sense, that will make us wise. Not that everything evil. No. God don't create this life like that. We are twisting the life. We don't supposed to twist it. Please. Not that it's my own, not that it's too clear for me, but I know it's your area. I thank God for my life. So please, my brothers and sisters, let's change for good, so that our children will look us where they are growing up. The good thing you do, that is where your children is going to put their hands. If you do bad, your children will still copy you. Whatever you are doing, children is looking at you. They are looking at you. That is why we need to change in evil way, please. So thank you, my brothers and sisters. So please don't be offended. This is what is bothering me in my mind. I just want to vomit it out. All those fights here and there in social media, you need to stop. Where two people are quarreling, you go there and settle them for good. Not that when they are quarreling, then you just come out to the other side, put fire, the fire will be burning. No. Even though one kill one, will you be happy? Can they butcher it and give you the hand or the leg? No. Or one kill one, you go to prison, what are you going to get from it? Nothing. So any quarrel that is people is putting fire, it will never quench. You people, please. Not that the matter is so concerns me, but because it's my country people, that is why I just want to speak about it. Please, you people, settle them. Settle them and let them settle once and for all, so that the matter will go away. It's too much. So thank you, my brothers and sisters. This business, and we have one law from Germany yesterday. I don't know, maybe some people have heard it. I know many people have heard it. So they announced it out yesterday that from on the 27th, which is on Monday, anybody without masking outside, you will not enter bus, you will not enter Uber, you will not enter a supermarket and buy something. So except you are with your mask. Please, my brothers and sisters, go and get your mask so that you will not be embarrassed in outside, in anywhere. When you are going out, be with your mask so that they will look you responsible. You know German, they are very straightforward. When they say yes, that is their yes. If you don't wear your mask, they catch you in anywhere, you are going to pay fine. So we are looking for the money we want to use to train children, not the one we will use to pay fine. Please, my fellow Nigeria, my viewers, my brothers and sisters, my father, my mother, please, you people have your mask. Have your mask so that the embarrassment will not come to you people. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. This is where I end my story. Please this Mary Kay business. Anybody that need it, inbox me. My number is there. Call me or WhatsApp me. I will explain to you fine if you don't understand what I say, because I'm just angry now. So thank you, my brothers and sisters. Thank you. May God bless you.